Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to add employees to 7Shifts workforce software. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Hi guys, so first of all I'm just gonna go to their official website. So to add employees individually, manually enter their personal information and add one employee profile. So log in into the mobile app, click on the menu icon and then select my team, tap on the plus icon, choose to add on my own or add from contacts. So you can choose whether you have to add manually or from your contacts. The steps are pretty similar on computer or laptop device as well. You can just take a look at them. However, if you want to add multiple employees, then you just have to import employees and assistant, whatever you want to add. So log in into mobile app. Once again, go to my team, click on the plus icon, add from contacts. You will be prompted to allow 7Shifts to access your contact list. Tap on the contacts you want to import and you can add multiple people here. Click on save and next employee. Once you have completed profile information for the last contact, tap done, choose to invite employees now or later, and this is how you do it, guys. If you found this video to be helpful, guys, then thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.